Welcome sa Gina's Kitchen! Today I will make easy, healthy, and delicious banana waffles. And this is all my ingredients. So let's go guys and let's get started! I peel my 3 bananas and put it on a bowl and mash it. And then after I will set aside, I will make my dry ingredients. Have my 1 1/2 cup of flour. I will put my 1/2 cup sugar together with 1 teaspoon vanilla powder. You can use vanilla essence. I will put 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon baking powder. I will mix it together. After a quick mix of dry ingredients, I will put my 1/2 cup melted butter. You can use 1/2 cup oil if you don't have. And I will put my 2 eggs together with 1 cup fresh milk. You can use water if you don't have. And mix it together. After I mix all my ingredients, I use my spatula. I will pour my mashed banana and mix it again. After mixing all my ingredients, my mixture is ready. I have my melted butter and a brush, so I will brush my form later for the waffles. I turn on my waffle maker so it gets warm, and after 5 minutes I will open it and brush a bit butter up and down and pour my mixtures in the middle. After I brush and now I put my mixtures in the middle and we let this cook for 2 minutes until it's golden brown. After 2 to 3 minutes, my waffle is cooked and it's golden brown. Perfectly cook my banana waffles. I will continue this process until I finish my all mixtures. banana waffles is ready. It's easy to make, it's healthy and fast. This is my kids' favorite, so I will make it for them for dinner. I hope you like it watching my video, guys, and you must try it also. Thank you, thank you. Till next time. Bye-bye.